Hi, this video and presentation is to help teachers and parents with an activity during the COVID-19 crisis. Hopefully it will be useful for teachers long after the crisis is just a page in our history books. This information is also available as a Google presentation. A link to the presentation with live links is available in the description of this YouTube video. The objective of this challenge is to design and make a vehicle to roll down a ramp with the same slope as a wheelchair ramp. You can challenge a friend, a class, a group, or a team you're on to see if you can make a vehicle which reaches the highest speed. Here are some definitions. Notice a vehicle is more than one thing, so a water bottle rolling down the ramp wouldn't count. The ramp needs to be longer than 20 inches. For the stickler, that's actually 19 and 11/16 inches. There is no maximum length. For the speed, it can be instantaneous speed for those of you who may have a radar gun, but for most of us, we'll be calculating average speed, dividing the distance traveled by the time of travel. And unassisted means just let go of the vehicle. No pushing allowed. As an example of a 4.8 degree ramp, let's say you have a coffee table 36.5 inches long. That would be 36.5 inches divided by 12. This would result in 3.04 inches. So one side of the coffee table would need to be lifted 3 inches. For materials, use whatever you and MacGyver have available. Yes, some may have more materials available, but who has the best ideas? Yes, adults, you are going to want to help. But when is the line crossed between helping and doing? If you really want to play, challenge your own adult group. To keep the measurement standard, we're going to use an international unit of centimeters. When converting from inches to centimeters, you may need to convert fractions to decimals. Remember, to do this, you divide the top number of the fraction, the numerator, by the bottom number, the denominator. For example, 3/8 would be 3 divided by 8, or 0.375. If you need to convert from decimals to fractions, there are many charts online, such as the link included on this slide. Looking at the chart, 0.375 would be 3/8. In order to separate the winners from the losers and avoid a lot of ties, we would like to use a precision of 0.00 seconds, or in other words, a measurement to the hundredths of a second. This is nearly impossible to do with a stopwatch, but if that's all you have, go for it. I have included a link to my YouTube video of the Google presentation on how to use a video editor with a video of your run down the ramp to determine the different speeds on the ramp. This will most likely allow you to determine the highest speed the vehicle reaches on the ramp. You can also use the timeline on a cell phone's video playback to measure the time, but this may not be as precise as a video editor. Once you have your measurements, calculate your speed and compare to your fellow competitors. Have fun. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are many videos there. Until next time, remember, sometimes people can come together even when they're apart.